Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheryl, and today we're in the kitchen and we're gonna make something fun. It's a little different take. We're gonna make stuffed taco tomatoes. Pretty cool. It's kind of like a taco without the shell. So let me get you down to the workstation and we'll get this party started. Okay guys, I'm going to turn on my fire to about a medium heat. Okay. And I am going to use a cheat. Some chopped onions. Just didn't feel like using any of that. Have to do it all. And I'm putting in some of our ground beef. Whoa! That's a no-no. For some reason, it didn't ignite. And then, luckily my face wasn't over there. I would got badly burnt. So, be careful. Crumble this up, and I'm going to open up another little packet of meat. That way, if there's any left over, Farron can have them for his lunches during the week. He likes making burritos and things like that when I'm at work. So, I'm going to open up the other one. And if you hear any noises in the background, that's Farron working on the new porch that he's making off the kitchen. And hopefully he'll have it done soon. So we're just going to brown this up. I'm going to put my onions in. Just going to use the rest of this little bag. And I would say it's about 5 ounces of onions. The bag's 10 ounces. So it's about half. So maybe like a medium onion. So we're going to cook this until it's all brown, and then we're going to drain it and go on our next steps. And in the meantime, preheat your oven to 375, because these little tomatoes are going to go in the oven for a bit. Okay. And this is just a different spin-off on if you do Taco Tuesday at your home. We just do it whenever we feel like wanting taco. It's no Pacific Day. But I saw this and I was like, I want to make that. That's something different. So, just let this brown. Okay guys, this is done, we're going to go drain it, and I will bring you right back. Okay, it's nice and drained. Put it back in its pan. And now you can take a packet of your taco seasoning. I'm going to use mine. And I'm going to put in, since I used 2 pounds, I'm going to go in with maybe 4. Okay. And with a twist on this, I'm going to add some corn. A little bit of corn. And once it heats up a little bit, I'm going to add some spinach. Okay. And I'm going to turn it down to like a medium low for right now. I'm going to stir this all in, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water. To this. And let it simmer a little bit. I need to add a little bit more. And you guys, if you like black beans, you can add those in here instead of the spinach, but I figured this would be a little bit different. And if you don't like spinach, you can leave it out or put kale in it. Okay guys, I'm going to add some spinach in. And this will wilt down. Just gonna let this wilt down. Okay. I'm going to turn that off. Okay, guys. Now, in my little dish here, I have 3 tomatoes I've already done. And we're doing 4. I'm going to show you how to do these. Just slice the top off. It's not hard to do. And you can use a spoon or a knife. I'm using one of those little baller things. And I'm just going in here and starting to get some of the tomato out because we want it hollow. And then I'm just saving this, and I'll use it in a salad or something. I'm not going to waste it. And you just dig out the innards. And try not to go through the bottom, okay? Or the sides. Kind of scrape out the little membranes and things. And make it like a little cup. Alright, so I'm going to put these away. Okay, guys, we're going to fill these with our mixture. And then we're going to pop them in a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes, okay? We're going to stuff them. And if you had a big family, you can make more. And like I said, I did 2 pounds of ground beef. So Farron can have some for like burrito. Or even make a taco salad. So we're gonna fill these. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to take some shredded cheese, and I have a triple cheddar here from another recipe I did. And we're going to just put cheese on the top of them. Okay. Okay. Into the oven they go for 15 minutes. See you when they come back out. In about a YouTube minute for you guys. Okay, the timer went off. We're going to get them out of the oven. And we're going to let them sit here and rest. They smell great. Look at that, guys. They look amazing. Okay, guys, I'm going to serve these up. I'm going to put a little bit of sour cream on top. sprinkle a little parsley on top of it. So guys, this is dinner. Stuffed taco tomatoes. Pretty good stuff. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. See you soon.